The best supplement to avoid hair loss and to stimulate hair growth at home. Hair loss can be a natural part of the aging process, and most of the time, it's nothing to worry about. We can even lose up to 100 hairs on our bodies every day without even noticing. But you could prolong the life of your locks by regularly taking iron supplements. It's been revealed losing your hair could be caused by a number of different conditions, said the NHS. Stress, weight loss, or even an iron deficiency can lead to some form of hair loss. But there are some home treatments you can use that might help to prevent some types of hair loss, including alopecia. One of the easiest ways to stimulate hair growth at home is to add more iron to your diet, it's been claimed. Iron is a crucial mineral for maintaining the health of your hair, according to biohacking platform Bioness nutritionist Clarissa Lena. It's used in the production of red blood cells, which help to carry oxygen around the body. Oxygen must be delivered to the scalp for hair to grow. And without enough oxygen, you may be at risk of losing your hair. Women are more likely to be deficient in iron, although it can also affect men, she said. Iron is a key mineral for our health, Lenhair told Express Health. It plays a role in the production of our red blood cells, that are responsible for carrying oxygen all around the body. This is key when it comes to hair health, as our hair follicles require oxygen to function optimally. Women are more at risk of being low in iron due to menstruation and previous pregnancies. If you prefer not to take any additional supplements, you could also increase the amount of iron in your diet by making a few food swaps. Most animal foods and plant-based sources contain iron, while beans, nuts and dried fruit are also rich in the mineral. If you do decide to take iron supplements, you should avoid taking too much, however, warned the NHS. But taking 17 milligrams or less of iron supplements is unlikely to trigger any adverse reactions. Losing your hair isn't necessarily something to be worried about, but on rare occasions, it could be a telltale sign of another medical condition. You should speak to a doctor if you suddenly start losing your hair, or if you develop bald patches. There are other treatments for hair loss including transplants, but they aren't available on the NHS, and you'll need to pay for them. Thank you for watching. Share this video.